Drill. Meaning, to make a hole using a tool or machine. Example, he drilled a hole in the wall to hang a painting. Creep. Meaning to move slowly and quietly, often stealthily. Example, the cat crept up on the bird without making a sound. Stack. Meaning to arrange objects in a neat pile. Example, he stacked the books neatly on the shelf. Stretch. Meaning to extend or lengthen. Example, she stretched her arms after sitting for a long time. Juggle. Meaning to handle multiple objects or tasks skillfully. Example, she can juggle work, family, and social commitments effortlessly. Nudge. Meaning to push gently, often to get someone's attention. Example, he nudged his friend to let him know the meeting had started. Drag. Meaning to pull something along a surface. Example, she had to drag the heavy suitcase up the stairs. Vanish. Meaning to disappear suddenly or completely. Example, the magician made the rabbit vanish from the hat. Imagine. Meaning to form a mental image or concept. Example, he could imagine himself on a tropical beach. Gather. Meaning to collect or bring together. Example, we gathered sticks for a bonfire. Emphasize. Meaning to give special importance or focus to something. Example, the teacher emphasized the importance of studying for the exam. Hesitate. Meaning to pause or be uncertain before taking action. Example, she hesitated before making the decision. Nourish. Meaning to provide with the food or other substances necessary for growth. Example, a well-balanced diet nourishes the body. Scrub. Meaning to clean by rubbing hard. Example, she scrubbed the dishes until they were spotless. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more videos English class time.